Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to start our series of beginner level projects of machine learning. So we are going to try KNN algorithm. Firstly, uh, we have a project like wine quality prediction. We have data set available. Let's check out the data set firstly. And here we got our CSV file of wine quality. So I will upload. I will also upload this CSV file on my YouTube, and you can check out in the description section also. So basically, as you all of guys know that machine learning is the name of prediction or giving prediction or giving the more accuracy. So let's start. Like we are going to firstly importing all of our libraries we are using in our this beginner level, so-called beginner level project. So first we have going to import pandas we are using because of loading the data set at in our model so we can fit and predict. So firstly we are going to import pandas as PD. Afterwards we are going to import numpy because sometimes data is not in the shape, so we have to reshape into the 2D dimensional and other else. So this np, and we are going to import matplotlib for plotting our graph, scatter graph, either a scatter graph or it's a line graph or it's a bar graph. It depends on the situation. So matplotlib .pyplot as plt. Afterwards we are going to import scikit-learn. We are using this library for pre-processing our data. Like sometimes we have a categorical data like yes, no, true, false, and like that. So it will convert that, like if we have an yes, no, we have to type like binary 1 0. So it will convert those categorical data into the 1 0 form, so we can perform prediction more accurately. And as we are using KNN, k nearest neighbors, so we are going to import our scikit-learn dot neighbors, import k neighbors classifiers, and from SK model selection, so we have to put our model into training and testing phase. So we are going to import from scikit-learn library dot model selection, import train test split, and afterwards we are going to import scikit-learn dot matrix for checking our accuracy score, like we how much accuracy is given by our model, how much it is accurate for prediction, so we can implement in our apps. So we're going to import um, accuracy score from scikit-learn.matrix, from the import accuracy score. So let's check out either it's running or not. So the next step is that we are going to load our data set. The data set we are using, as I showed you before, like wine QT, wine quantity. I am using dataset from the Kaggle website. Oh sorry, here we got an error. No module name. Learn. Okay, here we go. Run this. So let's load. We are making a data frame pd.read csv to load our data frame dataset wine qt.csv, and afterwards we are going to check either it is loaded or not. We are going to print first top 5 elements by using the head function of pandas. Yes, so it is working accurately. So afterwards we are going to our characteristics of our data sets, either it have some kind of unique values, like much unique values. We are going to find out like description or summary of our data set, like standard deviation, mean, median. As always know, mean is used for average to find out the average. So let's do this now. Exploring the dataset characteristics. Afterwards, let's check out the mean of our dataset. As you can see that the average capacity is 8.311 and alcohol is 10.4 with quantity, and the pH 3.3, like that. So we are going to find also median. You can also do it like you can use a function of describe function, which can give the whole summary of the data set. Here you got it, like the min max 75% min standard deviation, like the count also. So let's find out that either we have some unique values count in our data set df. We have to get quality. We're using the quality from our data set. We have a column named quality, like how much unique values it have. So value count is the function available, is a built-in function actually. So let's print out and check like how much unique values we got inside there. And afterwards run. Why it's not running? Okay, we got an error. Series object has no value. Value counts. The function name is value count. Okay, so here we got it. Afterwards we are going to check like count of kind of count of alcohol. You can also check it out, like how many unique values it has. Let's check out alcohol. Mainly, actually, this is a data analysis. This is the analysis. This is exploring the characteristics of our data set, like how either a data set is more efficient or either it have null values, like kind of that. So let's call out head again, so we can check out that either we have some kind of unusable column which is just using our memory, extra memory. So yes, we have, you can see here we have id which is not usable. You 1 2 3 4 and like that. We have here 0 1 2, we have indexes available here, so we don't need the id column. So let's drop the id column with id and giving the access one. So it will also set, it is make access equal to 1 means that like is separate that id column from the remaining data set of ours. So let's check it out. Yes, you can see now we have dropped our id column. Firstly we have the 12 columns, 13 columns. So now we have 12 columns in 1143.
As you can see, like we have one targeted variable, we have to check the quality, we have to predict the quality of wine actually. So we have a targeted variable or the output variable named as quality. We have attributes like fixed acidity, volatile acidity, pH, sulfates, alcohol, like kind of that. So we must have to zip the features. We have features, like the attributes are mainly called as the features. The terminology is the features. So let's zip the features in a single variable actually, so we can use it to analyze or predict our model more accurately. So let's x1 equal to data frame, we are storing the fixed acidity as x1 and x2 equal to alcohol and the pH equal to df, and we're going to use, so x is our attributes features, or the y is equal to df quality, which is our targeted attribute. So let's zip it. Now we have a built-in functions for that. We will use list and zip function of x1, x2 and x3. So now it will make tuples of certain columns we are using, like we're using fields acidity, alcohol and the pH. So let's print out our features to check that either it's a zip or not. So what we got here, so wait, let it run. Fixed acidity. Okay, we got an error here. So pH, we got pH. Okay, H is capital letters, and let's run it now. Yes, now it will do. You can see here it converts those columns into the tuples. Every row having every element of every row is formed into the tuple. So afterwards we are going to do plotting a scatter plot to check either the quality and the quantity in wine to analyze more. So we have the terminology we are using as a plt dot scatter is a function x2. What is x2? Basically x2 is our alcohol and y is a targeted variable, which is quality. So we are putting the size equal to 10, and we have x label, which is alcohol, and the quality, which is our targeted variable, which is quality. And afterward we're just simply going to using the show function to plot. So here you can see the quality and alcohol. So let's I forgot, sorry, let's check out the we have also to check the relation, or kind of relation between quality and the pH also. Let's find it out, and here we go. plt dot scatter. Wait a minute, just copy this code and paste it here using pH simply, and which is about 3. So let's run. So here's the relation between the quality and the pH quantity. So afterwards we are going to putting our model into the testing and training phase. So we're splitting data into training and testing phase. So just like that. Let's run it. So we have X train, X test, Y train and Y test equal to, we have function train test split. What we have including features, where I said you before that we are zipping those kind attributes into the single variable, which is a form of tuples, and the targeted variable also, and we are putting test size equal to 0.2. So it will give 80% to the training phase and 20% for the testing phase. We are putting the random state is equal to 0, so it will not change the rows to test our model. So simple, equal to model equal to k neighbors classifier and neighbors equal to, let's suppose, put it 30, and just we have to now fit the model, and model is going to be fit like y train. Okay, so let's run it. As you can see, our model is fitted. Now let's predict our model, and here we go. Prediction. Yeah, we define the prediction variable, and afterwards that model dot predict is also a built-in function. So we are going to put it through the X test, and afterwards we have to check the accuracy of our model. So let's check it out, and accuracy we have called the accuracy score from the scikit-learn dot matrix. So we have accuracy function accuracy score is going to give y test, and prediction we just predicted a while ago, so now we have to print our accuracy sample. Now it's 63 0.63, but it's not a good form, so let me convert into the good form. So 63.3%. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe.